In this video, we will learn how to use the OCR-based reimbursement processing feature in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. OCR-based reimbursement processing is an AI-powered feature that automatically reads bills and invoices and extracts expense details to simplify reimbursement submissions. To begin, go to the side navigation panel and click on the Reimbursements menu. From the list of submenus, select General Reimbursement. This will open the reimbursement submission interface. To submit an expense claim, first select the period from and period to dates. Next, drag and drop your invoices in PDF or image format into the Upload section provided on the page. Once the file is uploaded, the system will use OCR technology to automatically scan the document and extract important details such as type, date, amount, and purpose or remarks. You can review and edit the extracted details if needed before submitting the reimbursement request. You can also attach supporting proof or additional documents for each expense if required. Once everything is reviewed and completed, click on the Submit button to send the reimbursement request for approval. That's it. You now know how to use the OCR-based reimbursement processing feature in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.